guys, I'm back. Sorry. Oh, 12:52. 8 minutes. Oh, 12:53. 7 minutes. Now I know what to do if they're late. I know the drill. And last month, it was weird that they did it 2 days in a row.
Yep.
Because they do not go off on Fridays. Unless if there's an emergency.
This is so beautiful out here today.
Perfect day for a tornado siren.
Yeah.
Oh, it's disgusting.
Oh, 12:54.
It is.
6 minutes.
I have to admit, I maybe haven't changed the heart about the whole situation. Maybe
Hopefully there's no cars driving by during the siren.
Can I get a hug?
Mm-hmm.
Hug. Oh, I love my G-Dog. Oh, come on, Indian. You come and go. I gotta do some painting on
So
this
what
this summer.
do you guys think? You want me to check that out, or you?
I don't know.
Kind of so.
Oh, 12:55. 5 minutes.
But there's other things it'd be good to get out of the house. So
Yep.
yeah. What do you think, Griffey? Do you want to get out of the house tomorrow?
Yeah.
Huh? You want to? Yeah.
12:55.
Mister.
I won't be on time.
So Mom told me that I have to show you how to shave your whatchamacallit. What's this thing called again? Sideburns. She said you're looking like Spock from Star Trek. I said, and she said, well, she'd get you some pointy ears.
Oh, 12:56. 4 minutes.
Mister.
We're probably gonna hear the one from there and the one over there.
Yep.
Maybe the other ones.
You know, one of the spectacular Tennessee blue sky days.
Yep.
It's like one of those things, like, I kind of feel like for the last year I haven't really, sat and appreciated everything like that like I used to.
Yep.
And it's like one of those things like right now. It's like be right there.
Oh, 12:57.
Oh,
3 minutes.
How incredible it is to look at that
Yep.
bright blue sky.
Oh man, Griffy did do a lot of painting on this puppy. Or I mean, Griffy's got to do a lot of painting on this puppy.
Nope. You're gonna do it.
So, one thing I was thinking about is,
You listen here.
you know, maybe seeing about like Saturday, upcoming Saturday, get the team together, you know, at a park or something and do like a cookout. Because I guess I was kind of thinking to acknowledge, you know, Darren's birthday and, you know, like, you know, our new team members and just, you know,
Oh, 12:58.
12:58.
Tim and
Do the
Andrew
2
kind of
minutes.
moving
Yep.
into some different positions.
2 minutes.
I was thinking that
I copied you.
also I wanted to think of, you know, making sure that, you know, when somebody does get a birthday, they get a card or something.
So I copied
So I
you.
figured I would give Darren one and then give Tim one too. Yeah, I don't know, I just, you know, feel like, you know, put this thing out to our new hires that were, you know, family oriented.
Yeah.
Right?
Yeah.
I know.
I've always sucked with birthdays. Heck,
Well,
I
me
probably
too, but-
missed my own birthday if I didn't know I had one.
Well, but you're part of the September club with Team Community.
Yep.
Oh, 12:59.
Any second.
1 minute.
Huh?
Yup.
Are they singing, come on, chameleon?
No.
No?
But I guess the thing is that, you know, if we're putting it out there that we're a family-oriented business, then, you know, there's certain things we have to help each other with remembering to do that helps to, you know.
Hey, Griffey, did you leave the back gate open?
No, I did. I was taking care of cleaning up the room. Open access to the garbage.
Is it time?
Almost.
I have to make sure we get
Oh, it's time. So just give it a minute.
That's, you know, the routine.
It'll happen.
It'll happen.
It always does.
It does. Oh. Come on, chameleon.
I think I hear it.
Right on time. That's a dual tone one.
That's going to be on two that you're watching, right?
Yep.
One over at Summit and one at Chapman.
Yep. Was it right on time?